HRD Korea provides various employment support programs as a #1 HRD partner. It improves competency for lifelong employment. HRD recruits foreign workers via EPS. It allows SMEs legally hire job seekers. In 2022, 729 people have entered in 6 months alone. Around 12,263 people have entered ever since EPS establishment. HRD Korea is giving opportunities to Pakistanis by collaborating with various business partners. They also provide field-oriented job services and international exchange. EPS' main task is the implementation of the Korean language proficiency test and skill level evaluation. EPS also projects to find dormant insurance for foreign workers. It also gives Korean company employment support for returning workers. Korean Ambassador His Excellency Mr. So Sang-pyo personally came to ensure everything was going smoothly in August. The process of EPS is very straightforward. Job seekers are required to clear EPS topic, skills and competency tests in Pakistan through HRD Korea. EPS topic passers then get a medical checkup in a medical center. All fit applicants' applications are sent to the agency. HRD Korea then gets labor contracts signed. The appointed employees are then given pre-departure training via the agency. As their training is ongoing, their visa application and insurance are sent to the embassy. After the documents are approved, workers go to Korea, where HRD Korea sends them to their respective agencies. Employment training starts at training centers and they start working there. Foreign workers are given sojourn support via HRD Korea. It helps them stay comfortably as temporary residents in Korea.
Hello, this is your Pakistan EPS Center Director. In Pakistan, the EPS was launched in 2006 year. Many workers of Pakistan are getting jobs in Korea through EPS. If you are interested in working abroad, please give it a try. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching.